Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Lexus CT200H. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but you don't need to start the engine. Next, observe your dashboard to see if your CT200H has dedicated physical buttons for the clock, or if it relies on a central navigation screen. This distinction is key to following the correct steps. If your Lexus CT200H features physical buttons, look for H for hour and M for minute, typically located directly next to the clock display. Simply press the H button repeatedly to advance the hour and the M button to adjust the minutes. There might also be a 00 button to quickly round the time to the nearest hour. For models with a navigation screen, begin by pressing the menu button on your infotainment system. From there, select General Settings or Setup, and then choose Clock. If your clock is set to automatically adjust, you will need to turn off the Auto Time or GPS Sync option to unlock manual control over the hours and minutes. Once manual adjustment is enabled, use the on-screen controls to set the correct hour and minute. You will also find an option to enable or disable daylight saving time, which is important for seasonal changes. After making all necessary adjustments, confirm your selections to save the new time, ensuring your Lexus CT200H clock is perfectly accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.